I got another great product from GOOLOO today. This is their GT600 jump starter. It has 99.9 watt capacity, starting current 800 amps, peak 6,000 amps. You have your USB-C in and out, and they say it has a supercharge and super safe. So this is going to really bring really dead batteries back. This is for your big stuff. Look at this. This is just a jump starter. There's no other stuff like tire inflators or anything. This is if you need a heavy duty jump starter. They sent me this to review, and I thank them for that. Easy to jump start your 12-volt vehicles, it says. Has the whole thing on the back on how to do it. Keeps it super simple. It'll give you an X if it's beeping the wrong way. And check this out. Comes with a little bag to put it all in. And look at these beefy clamps. See how it's metal in there? A lot of these have plastic in the middle, and they're going to wear out over time. This is if you're like a automotive technician, tow truck driver, stuff like that. Look at all metal in there. It just has this plastic casing on the outside to, for good reason. Good quality on that. Nice long cable as well. It's going to plug in right here. Boom. And then you also have your USB out and your in and out. And it'll charge your devices as well at 100 watts. So pretty fast. It also has a DC charger built in, which is cool because you can use this one. Ooh, that's pretty cool. This has a DC to USB right there. So this is if you're always on the road. You can charge your devices with this, or this charger. You can see it also has this conversion right here, so you can go like this and plug this into here. Boom, to help charge it. Very, very cool stuff how you can charge this. And then it comes with USB-C and a USB-A to USB-C. But this is nice right here. Very long. And you can charge your device off it while you're in the car and recharge it once you get your battery started again. But you can see, you can turn it on here. It's going to show the battery level. It's nice they shipped it at just under 80%. That's more stable for these batteries. And yeah, this is a heavy duty one. This is not your like little wimpy jump starter here. So we're going to go out. I got a dead car in my driveway. We're going to go test this out and see how well it works. All right, so this is a 2002 Mini Cooper, supercharged on Cooper Works. I'm going to go ahead and show you how dead the battery is. I forgot to put it on the tender. The car does not like that. Nothing. I'm turning the key. Absolutely nothing. All right, get back out. Ooh, that clamps on so nice. Usually these fall off. These have weird clamps. You can see it turned on. It says it's ready. So now I'm going to try to hit the boost. See how that goes. There's the boost. Getting some amps in there. Oh, I think I got lights on now. I think we're going to work. Boom. There you have it. All right, so you just saw how easily this started a car from complete dead. This car's been sitting for over a month. It's just got some work I need to do on it, and it's a project right now. But if you have a bunch of hoopties like me, keep one of these in your car. You're gonna make friends. It's good to have. Beats jumper cables, all of that. And this battery, it only went from 77 to 73% jumping a car. It also has a light on it, which is nice. Hold this down, you get this light. You can do all your work on your car too with it. You never know when you'll need it, and I hope this video helped with your buying decision.